So here we have our truckle equipment, tyre pressure and monitoring system, external sensors. So these ones have no display, transmit over CAN, so you can send the data into your telemetry system or whatever you're using. So obviously you get live tyre pressures and temps. So the sensors are external screw-on ones. They are like a sealed unit, so the battery isn't replaceable. These should last up to 5 years, depending. They're very heavy duty. There's lock nuts included here in a spanner, just to stop theft, and also so that the sensors do stay on. Then you have a repeater and a receiver. So repeater is mounted wherever you need to mount it. So you can have 1 to 22 sensors, depending what you're monitoring, the truck, bus, or equipment. So a repeater will normally be at the back or in the middle somewhere. That just needs to have a power source going to it like that. Come with standard mounting like this, so you can just mount these on here, and then normally just hang down, so you could just mount it off a beam or wherever you want, and they just hang like this. So you get the mounting screws for that here, and that's just a rubber mat to help mount it. Then underneath the cab or up near the dash, somewhere, you'll have your actual receiver here. Again, you probably won't have to use the pad here, depending where you're mounting it, if it's external or internal. And then you have your plug here and your wires out. So again, you got a power and a negative, and then you got your CAN high and CAN low, which is going to go into your system that you want to record transmit the data into. That's basically it. Everything's in the kit. That's how it works.